If hair grows there, Manscaped has a tool for it.
Today, guys, I am thrilled to show you a masterpiece from Manscaped, and that is the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra.
Like having two trimmers in one, making sure you're always summer ready without breaking the bank.
They've taken grooming precision to a whole new level with their next-gen dual SkinSafe blade head.
Let me introduce you to Manscaped's newest game changer, the Chairman Pro Electric Foil Shaver. Look at this, fancy, right?
It features a 360-degree contouring head and comes with two interchangeable SkinSafe blade heads.
I'm going to talk about the Dome Shaver Pro, very easy to use, and what's really important is it cuts my hair in half the time. If you haven't guessed already, this is now my new shaver.
Beard Hedger, my favorite grooming product of all time. It makes beard grooming just absolutely effortless, and it also has this awesome zoom wheel feature that allows you to choose from over 20 different lengths.
Meet the Manscaped Weed Whacker 2.0 nose and ear hair trimmer. It's got SkinSafe technology also and an upgraded steel blade system with excellent cutting performance.
Now moving on to the Handyman. It's compact and convenient, great for touch-ups on the go anytime.
Manscaped, for all your man hair.